Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Umintirang ba kajelau konrak kongkel sangma hakijinya kendo ikinailam jang Meghalaya SSA School Association Hatura West Garo Hills District hakar pratrik urusaw arajar pausaw ula Kular baka sarkar kan sa Pynurlong yagi Jingdawa Nonghikai School SSA kilapin sngaw siya ka sarkar jella. Ling bagi video belapha de keseng shigalar pathai kubor president jang seng uba Aristol Rambai ula ong baka seng kasngongo shikadai jing shimrai jang sarkar ban penjelan yagarta rungkam jang Nonghikai School SSA nakalai punyos nam karta hadu sapusan snam karta ule thoru baka jing kendo yu menteri rangba keseng kalaya thiritai sani bah hakabia de baka jing kerpa ya sarkar ban wanra no ya policy ko pins kham ya kam Nonghikai School jing Nonghikai School SSA.
We, the Meghalaya SSA School Association, a central body, we have just met the Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sama. Number one, we met him to express our sincere thanks and gratitude to the government under his leadership for the approval for the age relaxation to SSA teachers from 37 years to 45 years, so that they will get a chance to apply for a government job in teaching profession at lower primary, upper primary, secondary and higher secondary level. Number two, during the meeting we have also discussed in length regarding the certain recommendation prepared by the Education Department pertaining to come up with a policy for job security of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. The Honorable Chief Minister also informed us that his government are committed and are very positive regarding this issue. And very soon the government will invite us for further discussion regarding this matter before the government come up to a final conclusion. So based on today's meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma, we feel that today's meeting is a very productive meeting and it's also a constructive meeting. And we do hope that in the coming days, the government will come out with a policy for the job security of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya, as done in other states across the country. Number three, we would also like to express our sincere thanks to all the cabinet ministers. As you all aware that a few days back we have met the cabinet ministers seeking their support regarding this demand. So we from the Meghalaya SSA School Associations, we thank all the cabinet ministers for the support during the cabinet meeting which was held at Risbalpara on 23rd of this month.